Question number 1. Which organelle modifies and packages? Question number 2. In a hypertonic solution, SL. Question number 3. Which membrane component maintains fluidity? Question number 4. Lysosomes originate mainly from. Question number 5. Sister chromatids separate during. Question number 6. Facilitated diffusion requires. Question number 7. Inner mitochondrial folds are called. Question number 8. Which organelle contains apotonic enzymes? Question number 9. Per ribosomes mainly synthesize. Question number 10. Spindle fibers are mainly made of.